Hi guys, welcome to my journey, and on today's video I'm going to discuss how we could upload a listing inside Facebook Marketplace. And what we are doing is doing a Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So the first step that we need to do is, of course, we find products that is hot selling, that we believe that is doing great. Then we usually source our products from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Kohl's, Sam's Club, those big box retailer, and then we will list those products inside Facebook Marketplace, and then just put a margin to it, and then sell it to other people. So let's proceed. So I already did a product research, and then this is the product that I came up with. So the first step that we need to do is click the marketplace, of course, and then click selling, and then click create new listing, and then click item for sale. After that, we'll have to loading. Okay, so after that, we'll have to upload a photo, which I already prepared for this video. And then we'll just input the title, the description. You just have to copy, paste everything. I already prepared everything. And then available quantity, condition, category. So this is flag, of course. And then price per item should be, I already made that a profit margin in that one. Shipping only, shipping option, and then base shipping rate would be $6. And then click next, and then click publish. So that's how easy it is to list Facebook item on Facebook Marketplace. So I believe this is the basic of it, and I will discuss more further topics on the next video. So have a good one.